Good morning, fellows. Now that you've learned a little bit more about Match and Fit, I'm going to show you how to use the Match and Fit List Builder tool. So there's a couple ways you can access the tool. The first is through my backpack. So if you know how to log on to my backpack, you can go ahead and log on there, and you should see an icon that says Match and Fit List Builder. If you're having trouble doing that, you can also go to achieveatlanta.org, and under where it says for students, you'll find Match and Fit, which will take you to this page. On this page, there's a lot of information. So you can see there's an overview, list builder, frequently asked questions, troubleshooting. You can feel free to use any of this. However, what we're going to use for today is this link that will take us to use the Match and Fit list builder. So when I click on this, it opens up this window, which says Match and Fit list builder. And what I'm going to do from here is actually click here to start building my list. Now, this takes me to uh, the sign in page for APS. And what you'll want to do is use your email address at student.apsk12.org. So this is my account. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then once I do that, it's actually going to pull up the Match and Fit tool for me. For you all, there won't be a place that says start with what I entered last time, because this will be the first time that you're actually using the tool. So the only button you'll be able to select is start with data that APS has in its records for me. So you'll click on that. And what you should see is all of your academic data. So this is the data that really ties to Match, and that's going to help us identify what your likely target and reach schools are. So for you all, what you will likely see is a PSAT score, given you took the PSAT. You'll also see your GPA, which is pulled straight from your transcript, and this is your cumulative weighted GPA. If you took the ACT or SAT and the district already has those scores for you, you'll see those in here. If you took the SAT on March 9th, those scores likely won't be in here yet, but you can go ahead and go in and add them manually. So all that you have to do is actually click on the drop down, and you can select what score you got if you know that information from College Board. Now, you'll see there's a red X here. That means this section is incomplete. So what I'll want to do is go ahead and fill this out. So I'm filling this out for the student, Jordan Williams. And so the gender is filled out, but what I do need to add is the estimated yearly household income. Now, you may not know this information. We strongly recommend that you ask your family for this information, because having more accurate information about your household income is going to impact what the tool shares around what the estimated cost might be. So when we talk about financial fit, knowing this information is actually really important to get an accurate understanding of how much an institution might actually cost. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out for this student. And then I can go ahead and click Start Building My List.